Good morning, guys. We're just going to bike around. Yeah, in another side of Port Stephen, somewhere in Anna Bay. You know, I have been biking for a long time now, more than 2 years, but I never bike really fast. Yeah, just relax biking always. We are now here in the Tomari Sports Center. Not exactly the name, but yeah. This is a sports center. There are different field and space for the sports. Like this one is netball, and this is the swimming pool area. Yeah, they have a very big slides, but it is and aqua fitness classes they have. But it is winter, very cold. But I think it's temperature controlled. Yeah, that is the Tubugan Hill. There is like slides and other activities that you can do in here. Just near to the sports center and in the swimming pool area and in the tape area. Okay, finally we are not anymore in the highway, so I'm not filming in the highway because it's dangerous for me and for the other people. I always try to make it safe when I do my vlog. This is a group of campers. Nice. They have caravans and their barn is like a house. Look at this. If you notice, it is also Tomari Park. Yeah, because this Port Stephen is composed of Tomari Park. Yeah, the places without houses, the bushland, they are Tomari Park. I've been here before, but that was very long time, maybe 2017. We're just going to leave that and we're going to have a look here. Yeah, it is the same place where I have had a look before. From here you're going to see the beach area. Yeah, this is beautiful. At the moment I can see from here there are people who are fishing, and there are two guys swimming. The guy is very far from the water, but I'm sure the fishing what is the name? Yeah, it's reaching really far. Yeah, this is how it is. I always have this now with me, the lights in the head and in the front. We are not in the highway anymore, but we are in the cycleway beside the highway, so it is safe. Good morning, guys. Yeah, that's the time. Last night when I finished my duty, I got home and I picked this up from the outside. Yeah, this is okay. I'm going to pull that later. I'm preparing my breakfast. Yeah, this is the spring roll that I made last week or just few days ago. Yeah, it was around 70 pieces and now it's just this much. Yo, I'm going to put this in the microwave and then I fry it there. Yo, I'm waiting for my coffee and look at that. Those two birds, they are joining the guy to eat. These two lorikeet. Yeah, amazing. More lorikeet are coming. Look at this one. Wow, look at those two. They are not scared of human. I really miss biking in a place like this. Yeah, this bike is not a mountain bike. This is a city electric bike, but you know, I miss doing this. When I was having my previous electric bike, it's a adventure bike. It's a beach bike. Eh, yeah, a snow bike, and I was using that in here. Yeah, but I don't have that anymore. It's not working anymore. That's why I'm going to try this one. And as you can see, this one is still going uphill, and you can also hear the sound that is having a hard time to get up. The machine, I'm talking about the machine, the motor. Oh, Sam! Whoa! Oh, yeah, I didn't made it. Yeah, that is because I was holding the camera. If I'm not holding the camera, for sure I can get up here. Wow! I am not sure if there are people who do surfing, because you know these days it's very cold. If people can surf in this temperature, they are amazing. But you know, there are cars here. Yeah, there are people, but they are tourists. They just have a look in here. Yeah, I met them there. They said, "Good luck, man." Oh wow, the water today is high. Oh, there is some. Yeah, there are some paddle boarder. Oh no, there. What's that? Bodyboarding. And you know, if I continue on biking uphill there, I am maybe in one of the area somewhere there. Yeah. Yeah, but you know, this bike is impossible to get in there because look at this, it's very thin. Actually, when I come here, the wheel is coming like this. It's like a waving this way like that. So you know, this bike is not good in the sand, not good in the rocky area. Yeah, and because of that I am tempted to have a mountain bike. Yeah, that is actually the end of the track. If I continue my biking uphill a while ago. Yeah, we are going home now because it is now raining. Look, as you can see, the small droplets of water. Good afternoon. Oh, amazing! They are carrying the. Yeah, they are just carrying their. Good afternoon. Amazing. Oh, once in your life you find someone. Even down your world around. It is not very blue, but it looks still beautiful. Oh, baby, I can't fight this feeling anymore. Yeah, we're going home now, but we're going first to the grocery. We buy some stuff. You know, this is another reason why this bike is good. Like what I've said, this bike is really light. Yeah, I can really come up here without the help of electrics. What? I'm vlogging.
Are you vlogging? Can I say hi? Can I say hi?
Yeah, sure. We're going to leave that bike there and we go inside. $5.50, 6 pieces, 480 grams. Oh, there is a cheaper one. I'm going to take this one. This is just $4.90. Put this one back. We're also going to take this one. This is $8.36. 418 grams of pork. Yeah, 5 pieces. I'm also going to take one of these. Oh, but wow, there's a. This is just 125. Also a soup. It says there are pork pocket inside. Yeah, we're going to try this. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now 5 minutes. We're going to marinate the pork that I bought in the grocery yesterday.